G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today I'm going to be having a look at wet blending. So today I'm going to be painting this mountain giantess from Blood Rage by Cool Mini or Not. And I just start off giving it a base coat of brown just to give me something to work my colours up from. I then go in and block in my highlight colour over the top of my base coat with the lighter brown, which I'm going to be blending up to. My plan was to then, get the base coat colour and blend it into those highlights again. I did find for this wet blending project that doing so much at once didn't quite work for me. The base coat was well and truly dry by the time I was doing the highlight coats. And I also found that the camera angle was just casting a lot of shadows. So fixed up the camera angle a bit and continued on from there. Hopefully this will get a better view of the model. You do get my face popping on screen in the bottom left hand corner every now and again. But as far as the visibility of the model goes, I think it's a much better camera angle. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue this angle for more of my videos. If you prefer it, please leave a comment in the bottom. Let me know if you like this camera angle better, if you think it gives better light in general for the miniature. It was a little bit awkward because I ended up with a tripod between me and the model, but it gave a better picture, so I guess it was worth it. I guess maybe I need a boom arm for a camera stand or something, but I don't know. For something that I do for fun and because I enjoy doing it, I'm not going to invest into a boom arm, I don't think yet. Maybe sometime down the track. So here, now that I've got my base color and my highlight color blocked in, I'm going to my wet palette and I'm just getting a mix of the two. Like I'm putting on some more highlight, rubbing it in, getting my base coat and then rubbing that in and then pushing it into where my highlight is, and I'm trying to create a blend between the two by pushing the colors onto each other whilst they're still wet. But by the same token, I think I move into the next area too soon. Normally when I paint a model, I try and paint it as a whole, so I'll work on the entire model at once. Like I'll get the skin and do all those areas of the skin first, and then I'll do all the cloth. It's a new thing for me, trying to fully work an area before moving on to the next. Like I guess with wet blending, you want to be doing your highlights and shadows and everything all at once. You don't want to be jumping all around the model because your paint's going to dry. You have to finish working it. In this particular shot, I got my light color on and I went straight into my browns. So whilst my light color is still wet, pushing my dark brown back into it. And same with the hands here, putting my light colors on. None of this is sped up. I'm just trying to get that color on quickly, and then I go straight to my dark color and just push it into it. trying to make sure that it gets a gradient between the colors, so it doesn't look so stark and harsh on the skin. If you like the music that's on this channel, check out Gabriel's channel. His link will be in the description below, and show him a bit of love too. So this one here is probably a better example of wet blending. I obviously painted this one after this model here. I did some yellows to orange to red to a pinky colour and then to white. This is a model I did for my Arcadia Quest game. And I think the big key is I was working on a smaller area. For that lady there, I was trying to work on too many areas at once. But for this, I was just working on the blends on one wing at a time. So I did all this wing, and then I worked on the blends on this wing. And I think that's the key, is not to spend your time trying to do the entire model at once, but instead just to actually work on one area at a time, because it's allowing you to work on it whilst the paint's still wet. Anyway, we'll go back to the other video and just see what the model looks like. I'm still very happy with the model. It still looks really nice, and I do really like the end result. It just wasn't as good a result as a wet blending project, but I'm still really happy with the final result of my painted miniature. I'll be very happy to field that on the tabletop. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of a learning experience for me. I haven't done too much as far as wet blending goes. If you do enjoy my videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I do try to upload videos every 2 weeks, and until next time, catch you later.